YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer for cooking is a game changer for your kitchen. This 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser combines style and functionality, offering precise spraying for healthier cooking. The 16-ounce 470ml premium glass bottle is durable, easy to clean, and adds a sleek touch to your countertop. Perfect for grilling, baking, and salad dressing, it ensures even oil distribution every time. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, and the non-drip spout eliminates messy spills. Whether you're a pro chef or a home cook, this versatile tool is a must-have. Upgrade your cooking experience today.